Here's a very short video I'm going to show on using the standard deviation calculator. It's just one of the ones I found online. So the last video we learned how to find standard deviation by hand, and you'll notice that the formula is very, very similar to the one down here for sample standard deviation. We had the sum of our x minus our means, and then we divided that by the number of data that we had, and we took the square root of all that. But here, all you have to do is actually type in the values, and most of the time there are calculators that can help you. You can even use your TI-83 or 84 or whatever. You can edit a list in there as well. So I'm going to copy and paste a bunch of data that I had typed in. I'm going to click on the calculate bar, and it will give me the total number of data that I have, the mean, so I don't have to calculate that either, and the standard deviation of that data as well. The variance, population, standard deviation, and variance, all these pieces of information you do not need to know for this course. The scope of this course only covers these first three. So really just the total number of data, the mean or the average of the data. Remember, we can add all the data up and divide by how many there are. And then the standard deviation, which is again covered in my first video, how to calculate that by hand, which is also kind of important so you know where this value comes from. So again, just type in your data, separate by commas as it says in the instructions, and click on the calculate button.